sewing people? I am back. I'm so excited to be hanging out with y'all today. So stop on by, drop me a message so I know it's working, and say hi. Tell me what you're working on, what your weekend plans are, what the weather is for you, whatever. Just say hi and let me know you're here. I'm so excited to be back with y'all today. It is I don't know what the weather is. I haven't been outside. It's Friday, and that's really the most important part anyway. So it's Friday, and hopefully it's a beautiful day where you are. I have some beautiful fabrics to share with you that I am excited about. So say hi. I'll double check my phone for comments here in a minute to see if they're working. Not here, but it's really good to hang out with y'all. I don't have any other updates. It's March. It's a beautiful month. Um, I got nothing. I have new fabrics that I'm super excited to share with y'all. So I guess I could get started, but I really want to make sure that it's working before I do. So let me just double dip into the Facebook land and check and make sure I'm live. I am, and my comments are not working. Okay, so I'll put my little phone right there and see if I can keep up. Wait, I think if I do this and then turn my volume's already down, but maybe let's turn off the vibrate on the phone too. And then I should be able to see everyone as they come in. Hi everyone. Spring was there. That's exciting. Spring has visited a few times here. I wouldn't say that it's here to stay, but it's planting some roots. It's planting some roots. Awesome. Okay, so I've got comments going. I have 6 beautiful fabrics today and 6 beautiful fabrics that one of you will win, which is an awesome day. Hi, Amy. So every comment on here will enter you to win this week's reveal booty. It is 6 one-yard cuts of these gorgeous fabrics that I'm very much enjoying touching right now. And we will announce that winner next Friday on next week's reveal. So I've also got the winner from our last video from 2 weeks ago that I'll announce today. So do you want me to just get started? Because I'm pretty excited. We got in the last of our alpaca sweater knits for the year. So I have 2 new alpaca sweater knits for you. The first one is the Pewter Dots. I love these polka dots. They're so happy and so cute. So this is that poly rayon spandex blend. It's 200 GSM. It's got 50% horizontal stretch and just 5% vertical stretch. And then I have coordinates. I remember to grab coordinate cards for everyone. So I have 2 coordinates for you. Throw it over my shoulder. There we go. And then we've got white. White is my coordinate on that. Let me come a little closer so you can really see white. And then charcoal is the other one that I'm going to show you today. It's not an exact match. You can see that it's just a little bit darker, but there is charcoal in that fluffiness. So that's wonderful. Ooh, sunshine in Wisconsin. That's exciting. Amy, I'm very happy to hear that. We've got an awesome guy in the shop just powering through orders. So you guys are getting your orders super fast. And wovens. Oh, sun in Missouri. That's exciting. Oh, I like these. I like all the comments. Yeah, so this is, I love our alpaca sweater knits. They're so soft and they're so fluffy and they're so delightful. So that is alpaca sweater knit Pewter Dots. So that is that same gray pewter color as the other, how to say 2? I think we have 2 in pewter, lightning bolts, and I feel like there's something else, but I can't remember what it is. But they're all that same gray background, so they all match each other nicely. And then I have a woven for y'all today. It's the CEY, say, I don't know how to say it. It's an airflow solid. So this is our bumblebee. Oh, look at this color. So this is a beautiful crepe textured fabric. It is a woven. It's 100% polyester. It's 170 GSM. So it's a really great weight. I think that like a high-low skirt would be perfectly dramatic in this. I say that, and now I'm just picturing me walking through Target, because that's where I go. Well, one day that's where I'll go, with it billowing behind me. Because look at this beautiful drape. Look at this beautiful drape. And then I actually just kind of want to move it a little bit so you can really see that movement. It's so beautiful. I know wovens can be a little bit scary, but this one is worth the effort. So I'm checking in on comments. So this is really cool because the crepe texture kind of runs almost horizontally. It kind of runs across the grain, which is just really beautiful. It adds a really lovely texture to this gorgeous yellow bumblebee color. What did I tell you? It's 100% polyester, 170 GSM, and then obviously it's stable. It's a woven, so it's got a slight mechanical stretch just because it is that crepe texture, so it has a little bit of bubble, and then it's got a little bit of mechanical stretch, but it's not an actual stretchy fabric. You will need to use it appropriately with a zipper or a pattern that doesn't require anything like that. Ooh, Amy, you gotta make it. This yellow would be gorgeous. Love it. Floating through Target. Yes, that's exactly how I feel. It's kind of it's not bright. It's definitely in the mustard family, but it's not quite a mustard. For example, of course, my computer is sitting on top of the box of coordinate cards, but a sneak peek of an upcoming fabric I'm going to show you. This is our mustard French terry. So they're very similar, but not the same. But it's in the mustard family. It's definitely the mustard family. Danielle, what I would say, the easiest woven pattern that I have ever made and fit to anyone ever that requires no zippers or buttons or anything is actually the Laura dress from Rebecca Page. It's my sister's favorite pattern. It can be made in knits or wovens. So it's a really like just a comfort fit, but still looks very chic and it's very comfortable. I love it. So check it out. That's my suggestion. Everybody else, comment your suggestions under there for Danielle. It kind of has a gold feel to it. Yeah, it's definitely in that family. Definitely. So this is a name I can't pronounce, Airflow salad. So it's very light, it's very breathable, but it is not see-through. You cannot see the difference between the white and the maroon I'm wearing. Forgot what color I was wearing. Very beautiful. So why don't I just show you this mustard French terry. So this is our baby French terry in mustard. Oh, it's so beautiful. Y'all know I love a good mustard. It is 65 poly, 31 rayon, and 4% spandex. So the drape on this is beautiful because of that rayon. Just gorgeous. I should have put my hair up. It's driving me nuts today. It is 210 GSM. It has 30% horizontal stretch, and actually it is stable vertically. It doesn't actually have stretch vertically. So it's just beautiful. It's so soft. I love it so much. Ooh, Barbie and plum. I have some sitting right there, and I really want to make something out of it so bad. I'm just going to have lots of side conversations today. It feels like a side conversation Friday. So this is our baby French terry in mustard. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. I love it. I love it. Julie, birthday presents. That's always exciting. Always exciting. While we are on baby French terry, we have a new colorway of it, and that's Navy Midnight. So this does match our Navy Midnight double brush poly. And it's beautiful. So this is 86% poly, 10 rayon, and 4 spandex. So it's got a little bit less polyester than the last one, but the drape is just as beautiful, and the color is gorgeous, just gorgeous. And then it is also 210 GSM. It's got 40% horizontal stretch, and it has 20% vertical stretch. So you do get a little bit of vertical stretch out of this one. It's so beautiful. I love, love, love those deep navies. Let me step back and really let you see all of it. It's just beautiful. I thoroughly enjoy this color. It's gorgeous. It's classic. Can't go wrong with a good navy. So that's our Navy Midnight Baby French Terry. Ooh, okay, let me catch up on comments because I only have 2 more fabrics and I'm sad about it. I'm talking way too fast. Gotta slow it down. Read more comments. I can't wait to see what you make, Amy. It's gonna be gorgeous. Oh yeah, there's storms everywhere. We had some terrible storms yesterday. It was a rough storm day. Hi everyone. And navy is a good staple. It really is. So I have a new fabric we haven't carried before to share with you today. Do you want to see that first, or do you want to see the last alpaca sweater knit that I have? I don't know. What do you want to see first? I have one more alpaca sweater knit. I have a new fabric. I'm so excited about both of them. I'm going to show you the alpaca sweater knit. So this is our last alpaca sweater knit for the year. And it's in my favorite color. So it's in a beautiful green. Okay, so it's reading a little gray on my screen. Let me see what it looks like when it comes up on my phone. This is the light olive dots. So this is the same blend, poly rayon spandex blend. It's 200 GSM. The drape on these are just amazing. It's just amazing. I love it, and it's so soft. It's got 50% horizontal stretch, and then just 5% vertical stretch. So just a little bit of vertical stretch. And I have a coordinate and a half for you. So ivory is the dots in this one. So the pewter one has white dots, but the light olive has ivory dots. And then olive just looks amazing with it. So this is not the same color, but it is the exact same tone. So they look just stunning together. And I have to say the green on my phone it looks almost exact. So the green coming through on my phone, way better than the green coming through on my computer. On my computer, it's looking a little gray, but phone is looking accurate. So of course, be sure to just double check the website listing. But this is the olive, not coordinate, but complementary. And then ivory is going to be those dots for you. So that is light olive alpaca sweater knit. Oh, I love it. Okay, so we have a new fabric, and this is another one that I don't know that I pronounce it correctly. If I don't, just tell me. Fall will be here before we know it, but let's focus on summer for at least a little bit, and spring for a minute. So we have this beautiful Pointelle Rib Knit animal. This is our animal Pointelle Rib Knit. And just look at how beautiful this is. It's got just the right amount of sass for me, I think. I love it. So let me come a little bit closer so you can really see the texture of this fabric. So it is a rib knit, also a pointelle. So there we go. There you can really see it. You can really see the texture. So excited about this. I love it. It is a poly rayon spandex blend. It's 190 GSM, so it's a really great weight. It has 50% horizontal stretch and 30% vertical stretch. And I have a coordinate for you. So this matches our charcoal beautifully, just beautifully. And then I don't have a color that matches this background color, but the mocha sure does look really good with it. So I wanted to show that to you all because the mocha just looks so beautiful with it. And then there's the charcoal. So it's just beautiful. I love it so much. I don't make a lot out of animal print. Animal print is a new like for me, but now I'm a little bit obsessed with it and I need all the things, all of them. So this is our new animal Pointelle Rib Knit. Just beautiful. That's my last fabric for today. I'm pretty sad about it, actually. I'm pretty sad because I like hanging out with all of you. But every comment for the next week, you can comment and enter to win this beautiful pile of fabrics. We will ship that right out to you if you're US based. If you're not US based, we will happily ship it to you. You just have to cover the cost of shipping. You guys have any other questions? Can I hang out a little longer? I've got the winner for the last prize. Barbara Wong. I think I pronounced that correctly. You are the winner of the prize from 2 weeks ago, because I wasn't here last week. So go ahead and email us at info@slyfoxfabrics.com, and we will get that sent out to you real quick. And I'm excited to see what you make with your prize. Your prize. I will be back next Friday. Be sure to check in with the group on Tuesday when we will have another Sly by. It's gonna be a pretty one. They're all pretty, but it's a good one. Um, so I'm super excited. It's so fun to spend time with y'all. Post all of your beautiful makes in the group. Don't forget we've got the Share the Love contest. So if you're sharing Sly Fox all over, be sure to enter in to win those prizes, because there's some good prizes. Mary, which fabric are you talking about? I'm happy to repeat a fabric weight for you. I just don't know which one you're talking about. The Pointelle is 190 GSM. It's 190. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy the lead up to spring. And I'll see y'all next week. Bye.